Hi there. Hope you're doing well. So here we have another jumbled up sentences, or we can say that it's an odd man out or odd one out question types. So it's a typo based question, so that doesn't carry any negative mark. So, and the direction for this question is there are five jumbled up sentences labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They related to a topic and are given below. So four of them, when we put together to form a coherent paragraph, what we need to do, we need to identify the odd sentence and key in the number of that sentence as our answer, right? Now, let's read the sentence and try to identify the theme of it and analyze them as well as make them orderly formed so that we will find out the odd one out. Looking at the first sentence, despite their apparently rather stereotypical sameness, courtly love songs remained central to the practice of music at court over a relatively long period of time. Right. Now, sentence one stated about or highlights what? Sentence one highlights that what? The importance of courtly love, isn't it? Because it is stated, despite their apparently or clearly rather stereotypical sameness, courtly love songs remained central to the practice or main to the practice of music at court over a comparatively long period of time. So in that case, it highlights what? The importance of courtly love courtly love songs, despite that seemingly or seeming sameness, isn't it? So that is the first sentence. Second sentence said, the shared set of understandings created by courtly love songs was supported by two factors. The shared set of understandings created by courtly love songs was supported or helped by two factors. Now, sentence two does what? Indicating nothing but introducing, right or not? Why it is called as introducing? Because it introduces the idea that two factors, right? So which is given here, two factors. So that help to create shared understanding through what? Courtly love. Now in that case, option one, sentence one and sentence two are connected. Now, sentence 3 said refrains were typically learned in social settings, with other courtiers, but were very apt for use in more private settings. Now, sentence 3 is trying to do what? Now, it tries to explains. It tries to explain what? That refrains were learned in social setting and also used privately. Reference means what? Stop from doing something, where typically learned in social settings with other courtiers, but were very apt for using more private settings. So in that case, we can say that it seems like explaining any of the information. Sentence 4 stated, song by a courtier as part of an after dinner game. A refrain might mark informal play as performative, but it might also serve as a useful point of entry for recalling longer lyrics that offer more complex sexual scripts. Now, sentence 4 does what? Now discusses what? How refrains, isn't it? How refrains, you can say that refrains might be used for informal play and recalling longer lyrics, right? So refrain is useful for what? Refrains might be used for informal play, or you can say recalling longer lyrics. That's what it discusses, right? The refrains. Now, sentence 5 stated, and this brings us back to the edgier types of songs that lie alongside the more refined ones in the medieval sources. Now, in that case, sentence 5 introduces the concept of what? The concept of edgier types of song, right? In contrast to refined courtly love song, isn't it? Refined um, courtly love song. In that case, you find out there are two types of songs. One is called as a courtly love songs, and another one is edgier type of song. In that case, we can find out sentence 1, 2, 3, and 4 are indicating about courtly love songs, whereas sentence 5 is indicating about edgier type of song. In that case, 5 is the introduction to edgier types of song, and sentence 2 is introducing the courtly love song. In that case, we can say sentence 1, 2, 3, and 4 focus on the role and uses of courtly, courtly love songs in medieval society, their social and private application, and how they contribute to, you can say that shared understanding. Whereas sentence 5 becomes the odd one that shift focus toward uh, different types of song, which is known as edgier ones that are not directly related to the main discussion about courtly love songs and their roles. So hence we can say odd sentence is 5. It introduces a different topic, edgier types of song that doesn't fit with the central theme of courtly love song and their roles. Hence we can say sentence 5 would be the odd one out here. I hope you understood it. That's all. Thank you.